Is your day-to-day life feeling like a relentless race? In our modern world, stress is as common as the air we breathe. But just because it's common doesn't mean it's harmless. Welcome to Kay's Calm Kit, where today we are tackling the silent storm of stress that affects millions globally. Understanding stress isn't just about recognizing when we feel overwhelmed. It's about learning how to harness and manage these feelings to lead a healthier, more balanced life. Today, we will uncover the roots of stress, its profound impact on our body and mind, and most importantly, we will arm you with practical tools and strategies to turn the tides in your favor. Whether you are struggling with deadlines, financial pressure, or personal challenges, mastering your stress can transform your life, enhancing not only your productivity, but also your overall well-being. So, let's dive in and take control, one breath at a time. Stress, in its most basic form, is the body's response to any demand or challenge. When you face a stressor, your body releases a surge of hormones, including adrenaline and cortisol. This fight or flight response temporarily increases your heart rate and boosts energy supplies to prepare you to either confront or evade the threat. While this response can be life-saving in emergency situations, it also has profound effects on your body. Physiologically, it affects everything from your muscles to your brain functions. Psychologically, it impacts your emotions and behavior, often leading to anxiety or agitation. But not all stress is the same. There is acute stress, which is short-term and arises from specific situations, like narrowly avoiding a car accident or preparing for an important exam. This type of stress is momentary and usually resolves quickly. On the other hand, we have chronic stress, which results from repeated exposure to stressors that feels inescapable, such as ongoing financial difficulties, unhappy marriages, or chronic illnesses. This type of stress builds up over time and can be much more harmful, leading to serious health issues like depression, heart disease, and even affecting your immune system. Understanding these types of stress and how they affect you can empower you to manage them more effectively. Recognizing when you are experiencing acute or chronic stress is the first step toward taking control of your reactions and maintaining your health and wellness. Stress can come from numerous sources, and identifying these is crucial for effective management. Let's look at the common and some unexpected sources of stress that you might encounter in your daily life. The most apparent sources often include work-related pressures, where deadlines, performance expectations, and workplace dynamics play significant roles. Relationship stresses, whether with partners, family members, or friends, also contribute significantly, revolving around conflicts, expectations, and communications challenges. Personal pressures, such as striving to meet personal goals or dealing with self-imposed expectations, can also lead to significant stress. These are often influenced by societal norms or the pursuit of an idealized life. Beyond these obvious sources, there are environmental factors that can subtly influence our stress levels. Urban noise, pollution, and even weather conditions can heighten our stress without us fully realizing it. Internal perceptions, or the way we interpret and react to situations, also dictate our stress levels. For instance, viewing challenges as threats instead of opportunities can heighten stress. Furthermore, chronic illness or ongoing health challenges are significant stressors that affect not only the physical body but also emotional and mental health. How we handle these conditions internally can either exacerbate or alleviate our stress. Understanding the varied sources of stress helps in developing targeted strategies to cope with them. Recognizing that stress can be triggered by external conditions as well as internal thoughts and feelings is the first step towards managing it more effectively. Stress is not just a feeling. It has profound effects on our physical health and mental well-being. Let's dive deeper into how chronic stress can impact the body and the mind. Physically, prolonged stress can lead to serious health issues. Heart disease is one of the most well-known consequences. Stress hormones increase heart rate and constrict blood vessels, which raises blood pressure and strains the heart over time. Additionally, stress can trigger unhealthy habits like smoking or poor dieting, which further increases the risk. Stress also disrupts our digestive system. It can cause everything from stomach aches to more serious conditions like gastritis or ulcerative colitis. It affects how quickly food moves through the body, which can result in either diarrhea or constipation and exacerbates conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Another significant impact of stress is on our immune system. Chronic stress suppresses immune responses, making the body more susceptible to infections and slowing down healing processes. This makes it harder to recover from illnesses and can increase the frequency of infections. Turning to mental health, the effect of stress can be just as debilitating. Anxiety and depression are commonly linked with chronic stress. Continuous stressors without adequate recovery can lead to feelings of hopelessness and helplessness, hallmarks of depression. Stress can also lead to cognitive impairments, including difficulties in concentrating, memory lapses, and decreased decision-making abilities. Over time, this can affect job performance, academic success, and daily life management. The toll that stress takes on both body and mind underscores the necessity of effective stress management strategies. By addressing stress, we not only improve our immediate daily functioning, but also protect our long-term health and wellness. Being able to recognize when you or someone else is experiencing stress is key to managing it effectively. Stress manifests in multiple ways, and understanding these signs can help you make timely action. Physically, stress can lead to a range of symptoms that may affect your daily life. Common signs include headaches, often resulting from tensions in the muscles of the neck and shoulders. Fatigue is another frequent symptom, leaving you feeling constantly tired despite adequate sleep. You might also experience digestive issues such as upset stomach, nausea, or changes in appetite. Stress can also manifest through sleep disturbances, either insomnia or sleeping too much, and physical restlessness. Emotionally and behaviorally, stress can be just as telling. Emotional symptoms include feeling overwhelmed, irritable, or down. You might find yourself with a short temper or feeling anxious or nervous without a clear reason. Behaviorally, stress can lead you to withdraw from social interactions, affecting your relationships. You may also notice changes in your behavior, like increased alcohol or caffeine consumptions as a means to cope. Recognizing these signs early is crucial in taking steps to reduce stress. Whether it's you or someone you care about, identifying these symptoms can prompt beneficial changes in handling stress, from adjusting daily routines to seeking professional help. Managing stress is not just about reducing the number of stressors in your life, but also about enhancing your ability to handle them. Here are some effective strategies to help you manage stress and maintain your well-being. Number 1. Lifestyle changes and relaxation techniques. Implementing simple lifestyle changes can significantly impact your stress level. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga can calm your mind and reduce the physical symptoms of stress. Time management is also crucial. Organizing your tasks with clear priorities and avoiding overcommitment can help reduce work-related stress. Try using planners or digital apps to keep track of your responsibilities and deadlines. Number 2. Mindfulness practices. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine can also be a powerful tool for managing stress. Mindfulness involves staying fully present in the moment, which helps prevent you from becoming overwhelmed by future anxieties or dwelling on the past regrets. To deepen your understanding and practice of mindfulness, be sure to watch our Mindfulness for Beginners video. You will find the link in the description below, or you can simply click the pop-up at the top right of this video once we wrap up here. It's a great resource to explore after you finish this session. Number 3. Physical activity. Regular physical activity is another effective stress reliever. It doesn't have to be intense. Even daily walks or light jogging can release endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators, and help clear your mind. Number 4. Healthy eating. Lastly, Healthy eating plays a significant role in stress management. Nutritious food like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can boost your brain health and energy levels, helping you cope better with stress. Avoid high sugar and high fat foods, which can have the opposite effect. To start eating healthier with an attentive and aware approach, be sure to check out our video on mindful eating. You can find the link in the description below, or click the pop-up at the top right of this video to watch it later. It's a perfect next step to enhance your dietary habits. By integrating these strategies into your lifestyle, you can build resilience against stress and enhance your ability to manage it effectively. Remember, taking care of your mind is just as important as taking care of your body. While many stress management techniques can be practiced independently, there are times when professional help is crucial. Let's discuss when to seek this help and how to find the right support. If you find that stress is consistently overwhelming, affecting your physical health, or leading to depression or anxiety, it may be time to seek professional help. These are signs that your current coping strategies might not be sufficient and that professional guidance could provide the support you need. Seeking help can start with a visit to your primary care physician, who can assess your symptoms and possibly refer you to a specialist. Mental health professionals such as psychologists, psychiatrists, or licensed counselors are equipped to help you develop more effective strategies to handle stress. When choosing the right kind of therapy or counseling, consider what aligns best with your personal needs. Cognitive behavioral therapy, for instance, is highly effective for stress as it involves identifying and changing thought patterns that contribute to stress. There are also other therapeutic approaches like mindfulness-based stress reduction or group therapy that might suit your preferences. It's important to choose a therapist you feel comfortable with. This can be determined by consulting with several therapists or checking their credentials and areas of specialization. Many therapists offer an initial consultation at no cost, which can be a good opportunity to see if their approach fits your needs. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. By reaching out for professional support, you are taking a proactive step towards better managing your stress and improving your overall quality of life. As we conclude our journey through understanding stress, remember that managing stress is not just about coping with life's challenges, but about thriving in spite of them. We've explored what stress is, its various causes, its impact on our body and mind, and how to effectively manage and recognize its symptoms. Take these insights and start small, integrating stress management practices into your daily life. Whether it's through mindfulness exercise, healthy eating, or seeking professional help, each step you take, it's a move towards a healthier, more balanced you. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. Now, I would love to hear from you. What are your strategies for managing stress? Have you tried any of the techniques we discussed today? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else to take that crucial step towards stress management. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content dedicated to enhancing your wellness and mental health. Don't forget to check out our other videos linked in the description, and remember to watch them later to deepen your understanding and practice of managing stress. Thank you for joining us today. You are not alone in this journey. Every step you take is progress, and every small change can lead to significant improvements. Stay motivated, stay informed, and let's continue to grow stronger together. Until next time, take care, stay calm, and cultivate positivity in your life. See you in the next video. Much love.